India mi ka channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi.
Ka Ladikin College ke Beladan Nadu Usnam Khat Kendai Spak Lai Pusau Bat Kedai Ruk ka College ka ba Klem Hap Papok ka Containment Areas kum bekila kena Bat Kiladan la kejong ka Khot Patah Putaban bu ek jikam hapok ka Containment Areas Hagini kisngi banwan kin se Khot ek jingelang bat ki Principal Baro bat u Principal Menta banyak keren halor kimat kenang bakani ka Jaka Pule kanum ngat syu akum kini ke jing syak pendek bakan yo ban tray lan lut
We got information, but formally, the governing body of the Ladikin College, to the best of my knowledge, have not informed the state government. But on a personal front, I have talked with the principal of the Ladikin College yesterday and inquired about how it started and why this issue. And he has explained to me that this is the first time that this type of thing happened, and to the best of their knowledge that the Ladikin College, which established more than 100 years back, since 1934 if I'm not mistaken, that pre-cantonment era, and they have all the record that prove that they are not in the cantonment area. But having said that, I think in the next 2-3 days, the present principal and the previous principal of the college, they will sit, and the governing body, they will sit, and necessary step to be taken, they will take, and we from the government, we will do everything to ensure that the Ladikin College, the prestigious college in the state of Malacca, will be function without pressure from anybody.